Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating the tracking ID and carrier. This avoids wasted API calls. Once the key or portal access is ready, authenticate and test a simple GET for the ID. Make sure to include device timestamp and time zone in the request so results align. If the carrier requires headers or signed requests, add them now. Once done, note the return status field. It tells you whether a location is available immediately or requires polling. You issue the request and inspect the HTTP status plus any rate limit headers so you can avoid throttling. Then parse the JSON, pull lat, lon, accuracy radius, and timestamp because accuracy and timing determine trust. Next, reverse geocode the coords to produce human-readable place names and plot a marker or breadcrumb trail on your map. Make sure to display accuracy as a circle and show the last seen time. This helps viewers understand how reliable. You wrap up by storing the event history and enabling polling with exponential backoff, so you get updates without hammering the API. Once done, set notifications for significant movement and honor retention and privacy constraints. If the location is missing, immediately retry with backoff, revalidate the ID format, and check the carrier status field. Then inspect API logs for error codes. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm authorization and rate limits first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.